social values, and in this session we are going to discuss about social attitudes, right? uh, Social attitudes is an acquired tendency to evaluate social things in a specific way, correct? It is characterized by positive or negative beliefs, feelings, and behaviors towards a particular entity, correct? Here attitude means how we are responding to a particular thing, right? Attitudes are significant aspects that help people to understand their social world. Attitudes reflect how we think and perceive others and behave towards them. A popular definition of attitude is like evaluations of various objects that are stored in memory. Okay, here it includes both the positive and negative things, beliefs, feelings, and behaviors towards a particular entity or any subject, any person, anything, right? So it when it comes to attitude is composed of three things, okay? Three components, like emotional components, cognitive components, behavioral components. Here emotional components are the components what we feel about something, what we feel about some particular entity, organization, or person, right? Cognition means thought, right? Thought, what we are thinking about that particular business, particular entity, particular person or subject matter, right? Behavior means it is an action, right? How we are acting to that particular thing, right? So these are the three basic objectives of attitude, right? So they may be explicit or implicit attitudes, okay? So here attitude attitude is very important in business, correct? In order to be able to attract business, we need to develop the right social attitude, okay? And here few of the characteristics of these social attitudes are respect for others, correct? One of the key trait of the right social attitude is to have respect for others. Treat other people as you would like to be treated. None of us like to be spammed or treated as a number, or, for example, correct, we send emails that are cut and paste without even our name on it, right? Dear connection and expression like that need to be crossed out of our vocabulary. So this is one conversation, and conversation happens when respect is in place, right? So respect is very important, right? When we respect to others, they will also respect in the same manner how we treated other people. So when it comes to business, email plays very crucial factors. So it is important, we should look at, we should not copy paste the same matter, and we should not ignore to mention their name, show gratitude towards them. So these are some basic um, things we should follow during emails, right? So the next important characteristics of social attitude is giving before asking, okay? The right approach on social network is giving before asking, okay? Just as we would not ask a favor from someone we don't know in real life, right? Online, please follow the same rule. Get to know the person, interact with them. Often the best way to gain trust is by providing values, by giving them something of their interest. And then, when the time is right, it is okay to ask for something, right? So, then next, be genuine. It is important in the process of creation of trust, right? That we project who we really are. First, it is difficult to fake someone who you are not all the time. It is exhausting and frustrating and would not last long. It's just not who we are. We need to stop trying to be someone else. Okay, we should be genuine. Okay. Second, people trust other people even more when we are behave enough to expose our weaknesses. Right. So then next important aspect is long-term perspective. Right. Here, successful professionals that attract leads have a mid to long term perspective. Relations are not quick transaction game. We need to invest in them. There are many books and authors that explain the benefits of helping other people as a way to be successful in turn. Right? Building a solid and long lasting relationship with your clients. In fact, in fact, build long lasting relationships with everyone. That's true winning strategy in business and in life. Right? And adding values. Also another important characteristics of social attitudes. Here, like adding values means we should always have in a mind that impact of our actions. We need to add value to our clients and connections. Our professional brand is at stake. If we persist in spamming our connections, they will start to shut us off and we will lose credibility. Right? So then right tone also very important aspects in social attitude. Like a daily consumer of massive amount of content, we are able to see what is fabricated and what is a corporate message, and we are starting to get tired of the corporate tone and messages. On the other hand, we do appreciate direct, honest, close and fresh one to one conversation, right? The next important characteristics is create content. Create content. This may be the most time consuming activity and time commitment that we make, but clearly is the one that sets us apart from the other professionals. The best content out there will be the one that we create. We need to find out how we can add values with our expertise, right? So then next, perseverance. Perseverance means being present alone is not enough. Our brand is something that is alive and that we need to maintain. Okay. So perseverance means we cannot expect immediate results here. Okay, this is something that we need to believe in and invest time in. Okay, be perseverant, insist, and create habits to make it a daily routine. Okay, so these are the few characteristics of social attitudes, right? So, apart from this, a culture determines goods and services. Okay, culture can be broadly defined as a culture where social status, values, and activities are centered on the consumption of goods and services. In other words, the consumer culture, a large part of what you do, what you value, and how you are defined revolves around your consumption of stuff. Here, culture is nothing but it is the social status, values, and activities centered on the consumption of goods and services, right? So our behavior, our attitude determines what kind of the goods, what kind of the services we are preferring, right? So hence, culture is plays very important role. Okay, so if we want to know whether a good culture for service are judged by these below factors like clarity, understanding, leadership, transparency, uniqueness, relationship, empathy. Okay, right here clarity means we should be clear about the goods and products. We should be clear on the purpose why we are using those goods and services. Okay, understanding, leadership, transparency. Okay, these are the uniqueness, relationship, empathy. These are the uh, very important social aspects which determines the why we want that particular product or service. Okay, right? So class, in the next session we will be discussing about people's attitude towards business. Thank you.